To set a custom keyboard theme on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to go to Settings. Once you open Settings, scroll all the way down in order to find and go to System. In System Settings, choose Keyboard, then go to On-Screen Keyboard, and then tap on Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now, over here we can choose Theme, press this plus button over here at the top in order to create your own theme, and then you can choose the photo from your gallery that will be used as a background for your keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. We can adjust the zoom and position of the photo. So let's say I'm gonna select something like this, and let's press next. Now over here we have the brightness of the photo, so we can drag this slider to adjust, and then we can press done. Furthermore, we can enable or disable key borders and then press apply in order to start using your custom keyboard theme. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!